So we've been putting the foosball table together. It's looking really good. Still have to order another rubber here. This one's, I didn't realize it was such poor condition. And I need to make an end here so that we can turn this into a one goalie. And then put all the men on. We have the end all closed. This end is still open, so I can show you what this looks like. Well, I guess you can't really see it. I'm gonna have to put a light in here. Looks great though. Clean the surface. Put some pledge on it. Silicone the corners in, the edge in. Yeah, it's looking great. And they work really nice too. Do not tighten them up yet, so that's what that sound is. Okay. Hopefully we'll get some time to work on this tomorrow.